with another intro to Emacs video. Not intro to Emacs. Emacs is great. Fat finger demos, one take, all that kind of stuff. Now, I want to talk about Magit, which is a very important package that I use daily. And it is used to interact with Git. Where's my Emacs? Yeah, Emacs. Sorry. So we are now doing Magit. We installed Magit. Now I want to show a bit about what it is. Let's take a look at the help. Let's see if there's anything in the info. Back up here. Magit. No. So we can do help package Magit. Now I'm going to make this a little bit smaller, and we are going to turn our global command log mode on. Magit is an installed package. It doesn't really tell me much about what it does. What it is, it gives you a way for interacting with Git. So first, let's turn on that get the command log mode. Global command log mode. Oh, it's already on. Okay, and now you can see on the side what's going on. And let's quit out of this. Oh, that's just weird. Okay, let's get that back. We are working. What happened here? Okay. No comment syntax is defined. Don't know what that's asking for. Let's see what org return is. Just goes to the next row. Oh, so fine. What we want to do is Magit, which we have bound to Control-XG, which you would see on the side in a minute. And that's going to do Magit status. That's going to show us everything. Whoop, this color scheme is awful here. We're seeing what's going on. Let's see if we can change it to something else. There's another thing, load theme. We're going to set what we got. Tango Dark, we've got our okay, that looks a bit better. We'll talk about themes in another video. So here we have a list of all our untracked files. This is a script I tried making. And here we have our modified files, and we have stashes here that I saved for later. Unmerged into a cleanup. This is what's on the origin. It's on GitLab. Now we can go down and we can go into a commit, see what's going on. See what we did. And we can take a look at our modified file. And we can stage our file. And it's really easy to get help here. It's also not a nice theme. Let's see what we can also. Let's try a different one. I think I was doing Tango Dark was before. No. TS So none of these seem to be helping. But whatever. So we can see here it also says, you can't really see it here. It's problem. Here it should say, oh, what did I do there? We can stage each of these changes individually. And here we can collapse them. Should be able to jump between them. Yep, so we can stash all the... And what you usually is going to work with is, let's try and do... you can also stage individual files. So let's do this in a more interesting way. Let's see. Now, should have done these in two. So I started the mark. What happened? No. Okay, activate the mark. Now I can mark what I want to commit. And stage just what was in the mark. And we can see here we have unstaged changes. We can also collapse that. And we can see all the stage changes that we have. And we can make a commit. See, it'll pop up this little help window and we can see what type of commit that we want to do. And we can do commit. Weird that it didn't get my... because I'm using a different home directory. That's fine. Let's do this. Quickly. See, when you have an error, it'll pop up there, it'll give you that nice window. See what's going on. Let's try it again. Commit. Okay, here, now it popped up this the buffer here. Shows me a overview of what my commits are. No, there's supposed to be. There's another buffer, which is for the Magit, for the change. Magit revision. Weird. This is weird. Something's going on here. Okay, let's try this from the beginning. Here. There's the config message. I think it's because of the command log that it doesn't have enough. So we can see that. What do we do there? We set up use package. And then we can press Control CC when we're finished. And now we have a new. Now let's see. We also had this that I want to stage just this section. Let's commit that. Regular commit. Yep. So what we did, we are use package always ensure. Control CC. Another nice commit. Oh, but wait a minute. That was done. Let's take a look. Now you see. Let's go back here to the org. We see that it says to do use package done. Configure use package. This is done. Should have been marked done. Okay. Now we can go back to Magit, Control XG, and if we go back here, I want to stage this, make new commit, but I can do this time. I want to amend the previous commit. Yeah. So like before, quit this out, and it tells, pops me up my last commit. I could add other changes here if I want. Control CC. Done. Yep. Okay. Now that made that. Okay, let's go back and let's finish out doing all this. XG, get back in the status. What else? What other changes do we have here? This is to install. We installed. Holding down Shift, you can also. No, not here. You can't. So here we're adding command log mode. Yeah. Let's see what else we got here. Installing Magit. Installing Magit. And adding some random to-dos. Some to-dos. Okay, now I could. The init.el, I don't think I want saved here. I don't want that to be part of the. This ELPA, I definitely don't want. So, let's see. How can I ignore that? If I hit the question mark, it'll show me all kinds of actions that I can do. Now, I'm pretty sure that there was one for ignoring. So, search. No. No. There's not. I can't believe that. Let's check it out. Magit. No. No, there's no ignore. Okay, so we're gonna have to make a get ignore. I can't believe it there's not. So let's do file get ignore. Now I had other stuff here. Let's get back to that buffer for a second. Now you want almost all of this stuff here. Org ID locations. Not sure what that is. Let's take a look at that. No, that you don't care about. Go to that. Stuff for work. Autosave list. This thing I don't want in. ELPA. These are all the packages where they get installed. I'm not sure if I want init.el to be installed. Sorry, I don't know why I'm going off here. So let's get rid of that. Get rid of this, but we don't want any of these backup files. These should be ignored. Start. Init.el there. Let's get rid of that. This guy. Okay. Now let's go back to our Magit buffer. No, not that. Okay. Now we can press G to refresh, and we see our get ignore. Yeah, let's save this. Commit. Ignoring up. Oh, that's weird. I knew there was some way to get this. There's much more that you can do with Magit. I'm gonna quickly finish this. Okay. I have a whole bunch of unmerged changes that are in the that are in the master. Let's just quickly take a look at a log with graph, Then I'm going to look at all the branches. We see that I've got a lot of stuff going on here. You know, find a better theme for this. Or I will maybe get into GUI mode next. Nah, not yet. I will invest in looking at some better themes for the terminal. Let's just finish this up here. Okay, we have here. We can do branching, fetching. So fetch, we are going to fetch from the origin. Nothing to, yep. Okay, so we're going to push with capital P. Force release, no. We are going to be pushing up to the origin. Start it up. And we finish, and we see that everything is updated. So that's the way that you can work with Git very easily inside of Emacs. Much more to Magit than what you see here. So take a look at Magit. I'm finishing up now. Let me know what you think in the comments. Subscribe. There's a little alert bell if you want to get notified about more. And that's it for now.